my pleasure to be here at this event at the Kajaria showroom. It's a beautiful place, well done with all the latest styles for us to go through. New design concepts, new materials coming in. Design is my passion. This field keeps changing very quickly and we've adapted to new techniques.
I think it's important to sort of bring to the forefront women designers because, like I said, many decades they have not found space. Like we know very few, but over the years there have been so many more, and that's very encouraging. I think it's a great initiative, and this initiative just gives more encouragement for women to keep going.
I think more girls architects coming up. Now the girls who come in our office, it's like they want to find a short way out. So single message, work more harder.
You need to stay consistent and you need to follow up and actually meet a lot of people. As much as you meet and as much as you be in events and all, it'll just help you understand how people work and what you can take for your businesses, for your firms, for your people, and what you shouldn't.
As long as you're able to realize that what you are doing is going to affect either positively or negatively people's lives, you should know that every line you draw, every dot of pencil that you make, every mark you make is actually going to leave a mark on people's lives. So become a conscious designer and become sensitive to people's needs. That's important.
You need to barge and you need to tell at times, boss, I can do this, just give me a chance. Never give up. Whatever happens, whatever comes in your way, you should be like really energetic, never give up, be positive and go ahead. There's nothing which can actually stop anybody. If you don't want to stop yourself, nobody can.
I think our Indian society is more male oriented, but it's okay. Like a lot of times women have their own set of trends which probably a client would come to realize later on. So yes, it is a challenge, but yes, it works. I think in further down the line it really works well because there are things which I feel that women can do better than a male.
It's a challenge also. घर तो आपका छूटना नहीं है, चाहे आप जितना जो कर लो. जब आप घर से बाहर हो जाते हैं तो डिज़ाइन पे ही आपका फोकस होता है. दोनों को बैलेंस करना पड़ता है आपको, क्योंकि अगर आप क्रिएटिव पर्सन हो, आप काम नहीं करोगे तो भी आप परेशान रहोगे और घर जाएगा तो भी आप परेशान रहोगे. तो उस बैलेंस को खुद ही मैनेज करना, उसका कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं होता.
वुमेन ऑब्वियसली हर तरीके से लीड कर रही हैं एंड उनका जो होलिस्टिक विजन है और जो सेंसिटिविटी लेवल है वो हमारी डिज़ाइन इंडस्ट्री को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा कर सकता है. ये तो बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है और बेस्ट विशेस.